The pituitary gland, a master endocrine gland. Hello, welcome to the Science Guide ASAP Learning. Today we are going to be speaking about the pituitary gland. Hope this helps. Please support this new channel by liking this video and subscribing for more videos like this one. The pituitary gland is an essential gland that regulates the functions of various other endocrine glands in the body, making it a master endocrine gland. In this video, we will explore the importance of the pituitary gland for overall health and hormone regulation. We will delve into the anatomy and functions of the pituitary gland, discussing the different hormones it produces and their roles in various bodily functions. By the end of this video, viewers will have a better understanding of the significance of the pituitary gland in maintaining a healthy body. Location and anatomy. The pituitary gland is a small, pea-sized gland located at the base of the brain, just below the hypothalamus. It is often referred to as the master gland, because it plays a critical role in regulating many important bodily functions. The gland is divided into two main lobes, the anterior pituitary and the posterior pituitary. The anterior pituitary makes up about 80% of the gland and is responsible for producing and releasing hormones that regulate growth, reproduction, metabolism, and stress responses. The posterior pituitary makes up the remaining 20% and stores and releases hormones produced by the hypothalamus. Hormones produced by the pituitary gland. The anterior pituitary gland is an important gland located in the brain that produces several vital hormones. One of the hormones produced by the anterior pituitary gland is the growth hormone, which regulates growth in children and adolescents. Prolactin is another hormone produced by the anterior pituitary gland, which stimulates milk production in women after childbirth. The follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH, are also produced by the anterior pituitary gland. These hormones are responsible for regulating the menstrual cycle in women and the production of testosterone in men. Another hormone produced by the anterior pituitary gland is the adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH, which stimulates the adrenal glands to produce cortisol. Cortisol plays an important role in regulating the body's response to stress and inflammation. The thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, is also produced by the anterior pituitary gland. TSH stimulates the thyroid gland to produce hormones that regulate metabolism and energy production in the body. On the other hand, the posterior pituitary gland produces two important hormones, oxytocin and antidiuretic hormone, ADH. Oxytocin plays a crucial role in childbirth and breastfeeding by regulating uterine contractions and milk production. ADH, also known as vasopressin, is responsible for regulating the body's water balance by controlling the amount of water reabsorbed by the kidneys. Overall, the hormones produced by the anterior and posterior pituitary glands play important roles in regulating various bodily functions, including growth, lactation, fertility, and water balance. Any disruption in the production of these hormones can lead to various health problems and disorders. Disorders of the pituitary gland. Disorders of the pituitary gland can have a significant impact on overall health and well-being. Hypopituitarism occurs when the gland doesn't produce enough hormones, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, weight loss, and sexual dysfunction. Hyperpituitarism, on the other hand, occurs when the gland produces too much of a particular hormone, leading to conditions such as acromegaly, gigantism, and Cushing's disease. Pituitary tumors are another common disorder affecting the gland. These tumors can be either benign or malignant and can cause a range of symptoms depending on their size and location. Treatment options for pituitary disorders include medication, surgery, and radiation therapy. Overall, the pituitary gland plays a crucial role in regulating many important bodily functions, and disorders affecting the gland can have significant consequences for overall health and well-being. Diagnosis and treatment. Diagnosis of pituitary gland disorders is usually done through a combination of physical exams, medical history, blood tests, imaging, and biopsy. Blood tests are conducted to measure the levels of hormones produced by the pituitary gland. Imaging tests such as MRI or CT scans help doctors identify the location and size of any tumors or abnormal growths in the pituitary gland. Biopsy involves removing a small sample of tissue from the pituitary gland for further examination. Treatment options for pituitary gland disorders depend on the specific condition and severity of symptoms. Medications are often prescribed to regulate hormone levels or shrink tumors. Surgery is usually recommended for tumors that are large or causing pressure on surrounding structures. In some cases, radiation therapy may be used to destroy abnormal cells or tumors. Lifestyle factors and the pituitary gland. Lifestyle factors such as stress, sleep, and diet can affect the function of the pituitary gland. Chronic stress can lead to overproduction of certain hormones, while lack of sleep can disrupt the body's natural hormonal balance. A diet high in sugar and processed foods can also affect hormone regulation. Maintaining a healthy pituitary gland through lifestyle changes involves reducing stress through relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga, getting enough sleep, and eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Avoiding alcohol and tobacco use can also help promote a healthy pituitary gland. To recap, the pituitary gland is a small but powerful endocrine gland that plays a crucial role in regulating hormone levels throughout the body. The gland is divided into two main lobes, each with distinct functions and hormone production. Disorders of the pituitary gland can have significant impacts on overall health and may require medical attention, including diagnostic tests and treatments such as medication, surgery, and radiation therapy. Lifestyle factors such as stress, sleep, and diet can also affect pituitary gland function, so it is important to prioritize healthy habits for optimal pituitary gland function. By understanding the role of the pituitary gland and taking care of our overall health, we can maintain a healthy and functioning body. Hope this helps. Please support this new channel by liking this video and subscribing for more videos like this one.